How to create Yahoo Mail. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today we will learn on how you can create Yahoo Mail. Firstly, go on any browser you have and type www.yahoo.com. Now you'll be appeared to this homepage. If you already have a Yahoo account, enter your username or mobile number that is linked to your Yahoo account. And in order to create an account, tap on Create an Account option. Enter your name and surname that you want in your Yahoo account. After that, create an email address as your preference. You can choose any email address that you want. Now create a strong password to secure your Yahoo account. Again, select your birth date and tap on Continue. In order to recover your account, if you forgot it, you have to add your mobile number to your Yahoo account. After entering your mobile number, tap on Send Code and a code will be sent to your mobile number. Enter the code that you receive and tap on Verify. That's it, you have finally and successfully created your Yahoo Mail account. I hope this video was informative and helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more informative contents. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.